What's up, guys? Today, I'm showing you how to make real money with just your phone. No degree, no special skills, just simple methods anyone can do. I spent the last week testing every money-making app and narrowed it down to the 5 best, fastest ways to get paid. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just want a side hustle, these are for you. I'll even have my friends try them out live to prove they work. Let's jump right in. First up, online surveys. This is one of the simplest ways to make money from your phone, and you can do it from anywhere, your couch, your bed, or even while waiting for your coffee to brew. Companies are constantly looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your honest opinion. It's a win-win. You help them improve, and you get rewarded. I tried out Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Signing up was super easy and took just a few minutes. No complicated forms or long waits. You answer questions about things you already know, like your favorite snacks, TV shows, or even your shopping habits. It's basically getting paid to talk about yourself. Each survey you complete adds money or points to your account. Once you've collected enough, you can cash out through PayPal or grab gift cards to your favorite stores. My friend Chris joined me for just 30 minutes answering surveys while we chatted, and he made almost $10. It was honestly kind of fun seeing how quickly the earnings added up. It's the easiest way to earn a little extra cash on your phone. Perfect for downtime, like waiting for a ride, relaxing at home, or even during commercial breaks. If you're not taking advantage of this, you're honestly missing out on free money that's just sitting there waiting for you. Ready to see what else you can do? Let's move to the next method. Got a phone camera? You can sell your everyday photos online. Businesses and bloggers buy normal pics. Your coffee, your pet, a sunset. Upload to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Fope. Add keywords and you're done. Every download earns you royalties. True passive income. My friend Sarah uploaded 50 cat photos and made her first dollar before we finished filming. One photo, one download, and the potential grows as you upload more. Your camera roll could be making you money right now. Let's see what's next. Next up, let's talk about micro-task apps, one of the simplest ways to earn extra cash from your phone. These apps pay you for tiny jobs you already do on your phone. Things like taking photos, answering surveys, or even just watching short videos. Some of the most popular ones are Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Premise. They offer a huge variety of quick tasks, like watching videos, testing new apps, or doing simple data entry. Each task might only pay a few cents or a couple of dollars, but if you stick with it, those small payments can add up surprisingly fast. My friend Carl decided to take on this challenge to see how much he could make in just a few hours. His goal was to make $50 in 3 hours just by using these apps. Not only did he hit his target, but he actually crushed it and made over $70, proving it's totally possible. The best part? You can do these tasks literally anywhere, at home, outside, or even while traveling. Anytime you have a few spare minutes, like waiting in line or riding the bus, you can be earning money instead of just scrolling. Some apps even pay more for real-world tasks, like going to a store or snapping a photo of a restaurant menu. These quick gigs can pay a few extra bucks each, and they're super easy to do. The money is real, the payouts are fast, and best of all, it's available to you right now. No special skills required. Ready for the next money hack? Let's keep going. Want to get paid for shopping? Use cashback and rewards apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Fetch Rewards. Shop as usual, scan your receipts, and get a percentage of your money back. It's effortless. Just remember to use the app or scan your receipt. My team tried this for a week and earned over $500 just by shopping like normal. That's free money you'd otherwise leave behind. Over a year, this can add up to hundreds or thousands in cash or gift cards. It's not a side hustle, it's just smart shopping. Let's finish strong with the biggest method. The big one, social media content creation. In today's world, anyone with a smartphone and a creative idea can become a content creator. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge production team. All you need is a little bit of imagination, some consistency, and the willingness to put yourself out there. You don't need millions of followers to make money on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Even if you're just starting out, these platforms reward creativity and originality, not just popularity. The algorithms are designed to give everyone a chance to go viral, no matter how new you are. Short videos about anything, how-tos, reviews, satisfying clips, can go viral and earn you money through creator funds and brand deals. The best part? You can make content about your hobbies, your daily life, or even things you're learning as you go. There's an audience for almost everything. We started a new TikTok, posted simple hydraulic press videos, and one hit 1 million views in 3 days. It was proof that you don't need to overthink it. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the ones that catch on and explode in popularity. That unlocked the creator fund and real earnings fast. Suddenly, we were making money from views alone, and it happened much quicker than we expected. The more you post, the more opportunities you have to earn. Even small accounts can get sponsorships and free products. Brands are always looking for new voices and fresh perspectives, so don't underestimate the value of your unique style or niche. The potential is unlimited if you just start posting. Every video is a new chance to reach thousands or even millions of people, and you never know which one will take off. Your phone could be your ticket to viral income. So what are you waiting for? Now here's your challenge. There you have it, your quick guide to getting started. 5 ways to make real money in 2025 with your phone, no matter where you are. Pick one and try it out today. The hardest part is starting. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment which method you'll try first. Anyone can do this. Take action and start earning. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.